What is going on today, guys, and welcome back to another video. Now in this video we have been sent a mystery package by my good pal Max Tricky. He owns a clothing store online. He sells in second-hand designer clothing, brand new designer clothing. So I'm going to leave a link to his Instagram and his website down below, so go check him out. And let's just jump straight into this video and see what we've got in this package here, guys. So let's just jump straight into it. Right guys, let's have a look and see what's in the package. I'm really excited about this one. Okay, straight away the first thing that's caught my eye is this brand new Givenchy t-shirt. Now I've never actually owned Givenchy, so it's going to be interesting to see when I get this on, see what the quality's like, see what it's saying. Definitely looking forward to that one there. What else have we got in here? We've got, what is this? This looks sick. Ah, nice. We've got a nice Kenzo jumper. Now this is a bit different. I haven't seen this type of style from Kenzo. Usually it's the tiger head or some sort of animal in there. But this has got some sort of like, I don't even know what design you'd call that, but it's different materials on here. You've got a sort of 3D cotton on here and then a print of just a green there. I kind of like that. It's different. I'd definitely give that a try on. And last but not least, guys, we've got another Kenzo jumper. Now this is just looks a bit just like plain Kenzo jumper, but on the hood here, obviously you've got printed in there. Let's turn it around. You've got it printed in there, the Kenzo on the hood. So I'm not sure how I feel about this one. I like my stuff to be, you know what it is. So if you like Stone Island, you can see the badge, you know it's Stone Island. Kenzo normally, like I said, has the big tiger on the front, so you know what it is. What I'm wearing at the minute, the red jumper, this is Billionaire Boys Club. So this one's a bit more subtle actually. You've got the little logo there and you've got the logo on the arm here. But this one's a bit simple, same like this jumper here. You wouldn't know it's Kenzo unless you see the hood, which I'm not too sure about on that one in my opinion. Like I said, I like people to know. So my first impressions of trying on the Givenchy t-shirt, it is a nice feel. This is a brand new Givenchy top. I've literally just opened it straight from the package, so you know it doesn't always sell in second-hand stuff. Givenchy there, as you can see, packaging there. Now I've never actually owned anything Givenchy. This is the first top that I've ever tried on from it, so I don't know a lot about the brand, but it's a bit simple for my liking. I know these tops are like mad expensive, you know, like more expensive than some of the Stone Island stuff, and Stone Island t-shirts are just plain and simple, a bit like this. I do like it though. It is 100% made out of cotton, so it's 100% cotton. Now I know Givenchy's known for the stars around the neck. Now these stars are actually printed on, they're not hand sewed or sewed on, which I thought they would be, because I'm sure I've seen a lot of tops out there that are Givenchy that the stars are sewn, they're not actually printed on. And for a top that you're paying £200 plus for, I'm not sure if you want the quality to be there. So I'm not saying this top isn't quality, but it feels a bit lazy them printing the stars on. But the top itself is just a plain nice black tee. Fits me really well, really like it. The quality, don't get me wrong, the quality of the cotton is 100%. I think that you are paying your money's worth for that here. But I just feel they cut corners a bit lazy with the stars up here. I feel like it should have been embroidered or hand stitched if you're paying all that money instead of printed on. I feel like when it's printed on it fades a lot quicker over time than what it would be embroidered. But yeah. So guys, on to the second item of the mystery package. We've got this Kenzo jumper. It's definitely an older style jumper. You can tell that from the design straight away. Let's talk a little bit about the design. The pink / purple here is 3D, you know, it pops out of the jumper cotton, so you can touch, you can feel it. It's different from the jumper, which is really different, really unique. And yet up the top here, the green print, they've just printed that on, so it's flat, you know, it's part of the jumper. Whether this is like cotton that stands out, which is really unique, really different. It's still the big Kenzo logo straight in the jumper, you know, centre of the jumper. But I feel like it's not my type of style. I can see a lot of people that would like this sort of style. It's very unique, very different what they've done here with the fabrics and the material. But it's not my type of style personally. But it's definitely still standard, nice Kenzo jumper. Older style. I like it, guys, I do like it. Right guys, and on to the last piece we've been sent. This is the Kenzo zip up hoodie that we've been sent in. Now this is an older style as well, because I know a lot of the newer style zip up hoodies have the tiger head print on the back of the jumper. Obviously you wouldn't be able to have it on the front because you've got the zip going all the way down the middle. Now this, my opinions on this jumper, it's nice, it's alright, it feels okay. It's probably the least favourite out of the three that I've been sent. Out of the three jumpers, the first one that I like the best is going to be the Givenchy top. I feel like it's got so much more quality over the other two, and it's just a bit more simple, a bit more my style for me, in my opinion. My second one is going to be the second one we looked at, which was the Kenzo jumper with the big logo in the middle. I really like that. It's something different. It's an older school style of jumper from Kenzo, and I did like it. Not my type of style, but I did like the jumper overall. And in last place is going to be this Kenzo zip up hoodie. I just think if you're going to be paying all that money for designer gear, you want people to know where it's from, and that's just my opinion on it. It just lacks a lot of that. It's only on the hoods, only certain people and certain angles you're going to see it. Okay guys, that's just a quick little video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments down below which was your favourite jumper and which one you like the best. I'd really be interested to know. Please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. It massively helps out the channel. We're trying to get the channel to grow, and I really appreciate all your support, guys. Massive shout out to Max Tricky. Thank you very much for sending me the stuff. Have a good day, guys. I'll see you all soon.